Good morning, everyone. It's Eric with His and Hers HHQ. First off, obviously, it's Friday the 13th, and if you happen to be superstitious, be careful out there. On to this. This is going to be my entry into the Psychedelic 60's group build hosted by Dan the Man over at 60's Rule. Funny story real quick about it. I thought I was actually being pretty unique, and I was going to be probably about the only one actually building this particular kit. And I've been trying to keep up with everybody, but in the oddest thing, I saw Thomas over at Plastic Buzzard, and he's doing the same kit. So, for Dan the Man over there and the Psychedelic 60's group build, I'm doing the Volkswagen Type 2 pickup from 1967. Thomas did a wonderful unboxing of this, so I'm not going to go into that, but it literally just showed up in the mail yesterday, because today's Friday, so yeah. It showed up in the mail, finally, and this was the first thing I had to jump on and do. This is my entry, and I have to say, I did open the box, and I'm absolutely loving this kit so far. This is a great kit from Hasegawa. I got mine from hobbylink.com, and I'm going to link them in the description. Great group of people. It's where I do a lot of my supply shopping. I've gotten a couple of kits from them, and the prices have been phenomenal. So I'm putting their link in the description so you can get yours. This here, again, is a lovely kit. It's 1/24 scale from Hasegawa, and I'm looking forward to getting into this. I'm really going to be watching Thomas's build closely. I've got this kind of I've got something special planned for it. I made a comment kind of, yeah, I'm going to use this kit as an opportunity to spread my wings. I'm going to have a little bit of fun with this. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm not going to do anything like those character type builds or anything like that. This is going to be a straight up kind of build, but I'm going to have a little bit of fun with it. Maybe open up the vents here, open up one of the little side panels to get into the storage bay that you see here, or I hope you can see there. But yeah, open up these vents a little bit, open up at least one of these door panels. I'm going to leave the door shut, but yeah, I've got a bit of fun planned for this. It's not going to be too crazy or anything like that, but it's going to be kind of, well, hippie inspired, I guess you could say. It, because that total feeling you get watching 60's Rule, watching Dan the Man, he really sounds like that groovy professor you just wanted to hang out with. And my two aunts that are just... I joke about it. It's not like they're relics of the 60's, because no, they're not relics. They are still real spry, much like Dan the Man. They just really exude flower power even today. So yeah, I'm thinking of them when I dive into this build. So this is my entry into that Psychedelic 60s group build, and I'm really looking forward to this. I'm watching everybody else that, when it pops up, I'm watching you guys, shooting you a sub if I'm not already subbed, because I really want to see what everybody's going to do with their builds for the representation of the Psychedelic 60s. So yeah, this is what I'm building. It's the Hasegawa 124 scale Volkswagen Type 2 pickup truck. I'm looking forward to this. I'm actually really stoked, and I hope you all follow along. I'm Eric with His&Hers HHQ. If you haven't yet, head on over to Facebook and follow us at His&Hers Hobby Headquarters. Take a moment, like, subscribe, share the content, share the love of scale model building. It is definitely a medium that is only limited by your imagination. You build for you. And as always, take a moment, comment below. It may be 5 minutes, it may be 5 days, but I do try to be as interactive as possible. I really do appreciate all the comments and all my old subscribers, all the new subscribers. I really do appreciate it. You are a phenomenal bunch, and I'm absolutely honored to be a part of the YouTube modeling community. I thank you all. This is an extraordinary experience, and I'm just blown away. I'm glad I get to share my love of this hobby with all of you. I really do appreciate it. I'm Eric. Have a good day.